Welcome back to the Dinar Current Channel, your trusted source for the latest and most impactful updates. What we're about to share isn't just exciting, it could be life-changing. Mark your calendars, because tomorrow, May 20th, 2025, may bring the biggest financial opportunity you've ever seen. As of May 2025, both the Iraqi Dinar IQD and Vietnamese Dong VND have officially entered the global Forex trading scene. But here's the real news: public currency exchanges are set to begin tomorrow. If you've been holding onto these currencies, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Today, we'll walk you through everything, from how to exchange safely and legally to making the most out of this rare event. After years of uncertainty and speculation, the confirmation is finally public. IQD and VND are now reinstated internationally. As of May, both are being actively traded on Forex platforms, and banks across major countries are now handling legal currency exchanges. May 16th has been a day of final preparations for most banks and institutions. That's why May 20th is projected to be the first major day of public transactions. If you've waited for the green light, this is it. This isn't another rumor floating around online or insider whispers in private groups. This is a verified, global financial event. Banks in the US, Canada, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East have confirmed they're now accepting IQD and VND at live exchange rates. That means if you purchased these currencies at a lower value in the past, you might be able to exchange them for a substantial profit. But to benefit, it's critical to follow the right steps. Here's how to prepare. 1. Check your bills, make sure your currency notes are clean and undamaged. Torn or worn notes might be declined. 2. Bring proper ID, a valid, government-issued photo ID is required, a passport or driver's license will work. 3. Call your bank ahead of time, not every bank branch is ready to process these exchanges. Some require appointments or have limits on how much you can exchange in one day. 4. Gather documentation, bring any receipts or proof of purchase. These can be helpful, especially when it comes to taxes or verifying your holdings. Act quickly. Many banks are reporting that appointment slots are already filling up fast, with preference being given to premium or long-time clients. If you haven't reached out to your bank yet, do it now. Some locations might ask you to open an account first, or they may refer you to a different branch. Watch out for scams. As activity around these currencies heats up, scammers are becoming more aggressive. Be cautious of anyone offering exclusive rates, secret programs, or asking for upfront fees. If someone says you need a special code or must pay to access a higher exchange level, that's a big red flag. The truth is simple: this is now a fully public event. You don't need insider access or to be part of any private group. All you need is your currency, your ID, and a reliable bank. Early returns are already in. Initial reports suggest some holders of IQD and VND are seeing 5x to 10x returns, or even more. For example, someone who purchased $1,000 worth of Iraqi dinar years ago could now be walking away with $8,000 or $10,000 or more. Rates are still shifting as markets react, but the increases are real, especially for those who bought early and kept their notes in good shape. Don't forget about taxes. If your exchange results in large profits, you might be responsible for capital gains taxes. Tax rules differ from country to country, so it's highly recommended to speak with a financial advisor or tax professional before making big moves. Keep detailed records, including your purchase dates, receipts, exchange details, and identification copies. These can help you stay legally compliant and avoid future issues. A look at the bigger picture. The return of Iraq and Vietnam to the global financial stage is a major milestone. Iraq's oil industry is rebounding, and its banking system has undergone modernization. Vietnam's economy continues to surge thanks to manufacturing, tech growth, and strong export deals. The fact that their currencies are being recognized again means international trust has returned. That's a big win, not only for these nations but for everyone who believed in their long-term potential. What comes next? For many of you, tomorrow is a major decision point. Do you exchange everything now or wait to see if the rate improves? Do you invest your profits or use them to eliminate debt? These are personal decisions, but what's certain is, you now have options. Just a short while ago, that wasn't the case. Your investment is now valid, visible, and respected. Our advice: don't rush, move wisely. Some are asking if the story of the dinar is over. In reality, this may just be the beginning. With both Iraq and Vietnam expected to continue growing economically, their currencies could continue to gain value. So even if you don't exchange immediately, holding on could still be a smart strategy, if you stay informed and ready to act when the time is right. If you're new to this channel, we cover everything related to IQD, VND, currency updates, exchange news, and more. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any urgent updates. Tomorrow is just the beginning. The road ahead is full of potential, and we'll be with you every step of the way, from tracking rates to post-exchange guidance. Let's not forget the emotional part of this journey. For many, this isn't just about money. It's about believing when others doubted. It's about staying committed while others walked away. You held on, you did your homework, and now, the moment has arrived. Whether you cash in tomorrow or decide to wait, remember this: you were right to believe. Stay sharp, stay ready, and stay with us. May 20th, 2025 could be the day you say, "It really happened." Thanks for tuning into the Dinar Current Channel, where your future is our focus.